Hello. Today, let's have a good, nice painting job here. We're going to make this nice painting by using oil paint. And here it comes. The big clue beyond that is nearly everyone can perform this because we're going to use paint by number or painting by numbers. This is a kit. These are self-contained painting sets designed to facilitate painting a pre-designed image like this here. They generally included brushes, tubs of paint with numbered labels, and a canvas printed with the borders and numbers. The user, that are ourselves, select the color corresponding to one of the numbers. Then we uses it to fill in a delineated section of the canvas in a manner similar to a coloring book. The kits were invented, developed and marketed in 1950 by Max S. Klein, an engineer and owner of a Palmer Paint Company in Detroit, Michigan, United States, and Dan Robbins, a commercial artist. When Palmer Paint introduced crayons to consumers, they also posted images only for a crayon by numbers version. The first patent of the paint by number technique was filed in 1923. Paint by numbers in its popular form was created by the Palmer Show Car Paint Company. The owners of the company approached employees Dan Robbins with the idea for the project. After several interactions of the product, the company in 1951 introduced the Craftmaster brand, which went to sell over 12 million kits. This public response inducted other companies to produce their own versions of painting by numbers. The Craftmaster paint box were proclaimed a beautiful oil painting with the first time you try. Of course, that's right. And we can perform this by ourselves today in a modern way of this. Because today, as you can see, the lines are really sharp. The numbers are really sharp. And the oil paint is in a good condition, and we have painter's brush included. So we can start with small areas by using a small brush. We are going to use a bigger brush for bigger areas and so on. So then we can easy peasy make these jobs done. In this case here, of course, it's a really large canvas, so we will need 20 hours plus for this. But if you use a smaller dimension of such a painting, you can perform this in one day, no problem, in only 2 or 3 hours. But you have to work for that because it's not so easy. You have to be focused on the area of the canvas which you have to paint by number. Before we start, you should mix the oil paint a little bit and then start immediately if you like. Then you can paint 1 or 2 hours, and this is enough. This is enough, I think. Then you should make a break. And if you make a break, you have to clean the paint brushes, of course. For this, you can use acetone or something else. So mix this, remove the oil, paint out of the brush, and then mix it with water, then dry it with a cloth, and you can perform to continue the painting after another 1 or 2 hours, or on the next day, for example. So you can easy peasy perform to relax and to create such a nice paint by numbers, beautiful designed painting for yourself. Of course, there's more possible on the market. It's an It's in stuff which we can perform every day. It's suitable for all ages, groups, and level of experience. Whether we are a beginner or an experienced artist, the paint by number kits offer a rich selection of motifs and difficult levels, for child friendly designs to more complex masterpieces. It can offer us different groups and the right options for us. And we can make more. We can take a picture of us or beloved ones, and then we turn our personal memories and favorite pictures into a unique work of an art with the paint by number sets. It's possible too today. Whether it's a personal portrait, a pet portrait, or any other photo, we just upload it, and the manufacturer of this can perform this and give this to us, and we can paint by numbers our own masterpiece. Really cool. We can easy peasy, chill, relax, and of course, we can dive into the world of painting by numbers and discover the fun and the profound meaning that these creative activities can offer. The paint by numbers process is more than just following numbers. It is a therapeutic journey that will help us to forget the stress of everyday life. And after we finish the job, we are well proud of it. And then we can get this masterpiece and make a good decoration of our ceiling, for example. So take the brushes and start with paint by numbers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!